This video is an informational guide for the beginners on a 3D character modeling process. On a first step, we collect the references. That could be anything from the drawing, real people, objects, or an inspiration. Maybe you like some character in a movie and you want to create an extended version of it. As the writer mentioned in a book, Still Like an Artist, that creativity is undetected plagiarism. So collect the references as much as you can, or if you are good at drawing, draw it by yourself, but you will have to create at least two poses, that is the front and the side pose. Once we have all the references, we will start building our character based on our collections. For that, we'll use various sculpting techniques. Start with the base sculpture, then we'll add more detail to our character to enhance its features. On the next stage, we'll have to re-topologize the character to reduce the polygon count and make it stable for our purpose, such as animation or gaming, whatever your purpose is. Next stage involve texturing a character, which include everything from hairs to clothing. It's totally depend on you that either you create a texture with the images or with the procedural textures. This is the stage where the character begin to take the shape and we start fell in love with it. Once everything is finalized, we'll have to rig the character to give it a digital life for animation or gaming. Overall, the process of 3D modeling is little bit complex, a rewarding experience that requires skill, patience, and attention to detail. If you are interested in a character modeling and you want to learn it in a detail on a Blender, which is a free open source software, I will link a course in a description that will help you to create a character that you are seeing right now on the screen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.